just I'm gonna check in meter
Loudly. Ready, one. Okay, ready, stop now.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Milan Shrestha from Greatness, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet presentation on the topic of TC culture. First of all, I'd like to thank our researchers for organizing this type of program, which has increased the confidence level of the student. Now my topic is like this. Tissue culture. It is a modern technique of vegetable propagation. In tissue culture, a piece of tissue is taken out from a plant and kept in a container where essential nutrients kept in are kept in proper condition. Those plants which those the plants which are grown the plants which are grown through the help of this method grow easily and fastly. It is an important technology for horticulture. And my next topic is advantages of tissue culture. Rare plants can be grown and rare plants can be conserved and hybrid plants can be grown. And my next topic is advantages of vegetable propagation. Those plants which are those plants in which those plants which do not produce viable seeds. We can use this method for growing. For example, sugar cane, banana, and potatoes, and produced by basic propagation. It bears flowers and fruits earlier than the seeds. For example, orange, mango, etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Nicholas Manuel from Britain, standing in front of you to give a short presentation. Before I want to start my presentation. Sexual reproduction. The process in which new organisms are formed by the fusion of male gamete and female gamete. When male and female reproductive organs are found in separate individuals, they are called unisexual, but when they are found in same individual, they are called bisexual. And its character are male gamete and female gamete participate through fertilization. Offspring helps to find the mixed character of father and mother. It takes long time to complete conjugation. It is the simplest form of sexual reproduction. It is a type of sexual reproduction in which fusion of gamete take place and four offspring are produced, like Chromadogonus, Spirogyra, and etc. are formed. Thank you. Yesterday we discussed about chromosome and sex determination, and today we are discussing about reproduction and heredity. And my chapter is reproduction, and from reproduction, my topic is sexual reproduction in plants. In angiosperms, gametes are formed in specialized organs called flowers. The typical flowers has 4 floral holes, which is born in the thalamus, and the 4 holes flowers are calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynecium. Each stamen consists of filament and anther. And our next topic is function of pollen grain and male gamete. Function of pollen grain and male gamete. The anther of stamen is myoid structure connected by a connective. There are 4 pollen sacs in an anther, which are diploid, and each macrospores develops the pollen grains. And our last topic is function of ovules and female gamete. And ovule develops the inner wall of the ovary, and the main body of the ovule is oval in shape, and it composed of main cells which called nucleus. And centrally the ovule consists of megaspore mother cell. Out of four cells, 3 are degenerated and 1 is functional, which are known as megaspore.
Without taking good afternoon everyone, it's me Jai Prakash from the Great Plain, and standing in the front of you to deliver the short and sweet speech on the topic of the pollination. My topic goes like this: the pollination, the process of the transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is called the pollination, and the self-pollination. The process of the transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or the similar flower, it is called the self-pollination, and it needs the agent. It does not need the agent, and thus cross-pollination, the process of the transfer of the pollen grains from the anther another anther to the stigma of the other plants, similar plants is it is called the cross-pollination, and it needs the agent like wind. Wind is the insect, etc. The difference between cross-pollination and self-pollination, it occurs without any agent, and it needs the agent like the water, wind, insect, water, etc. And it preserves the parental character, and it does not preserve the parental character. It can eliminate the harmful character, and it cannot eliminate the harmful character. Fertilization is defined as the process of in which the nuclei of the male and the female gamete fuses together. It is called the fertilization. The fertilization, the fusion of the two pairs of the nuclei during the fertilization, it is called the double fertilization. Thank you.
After Pralad. Pralad signature is doing now. After Pralad, Raj. Oh, Raj. Then our Puja.
Namaskar, it's me Paul Kanan from grade 10. With an entity, I like to start my topic from the formation of seed and fruits. As you know that to form a new plant, the formation of seeds and fruits are very essential. When the ovary changes into fruits and ovules develops and changes into seeds, when seed gets matured and comes out from the fruit, from the seedling process, they come in suitable condition and form a new plant, new baby plants. From the and my next topic is sexual reproduction in animals. When male gametes and female gametes meet together, fuse together, it is known as sexual reproduction in animals. There are mainly two types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. One is internal fertilization and one is external fertilization. The fertilization which takes part inside the female body is known as internal fertilization. It is mainly found in the animals which stays underwater. And my next topic is external fertilization. The fertilization which takes place in outside the female body is known as external fertilization. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. As you know, Sri Prasad Akka standing in front of you to provide presentation in the topic of heredity. The process of transfer of parental character to the offspring is called heredity. Such characters which are transferred from parents to offspring is called character heredity. And next is variation. The process of the process in which new characters are formed in offspring is called variation. And our next topic is Gregor Johann Mendel. He was born in 1822 AD and he died in 1866 AD. 1884 AD, and he propounded a law in 1866 AD. He propounded a law on genetics. He is known as the father of genetics. He gave 3 laws, and his law exists till now. And Mendel took pea plant for his experiment, and performed the cross pollination and self-pollination. He got some result called monohybrid cross and hybrid cross.
Nice. film and why that would be again? And for then we generating one person's answer. Take some satiric videos. Right?
As you all know, as you all know, it's me, Dr. Gupta, standing in front of you to give a presentation on the topic of character of the plant selected by Mendel for his experiment. Mendel selected 7 pair of contrasting character of the plants. They are given characters, dominant characters and recessive characters. They are color of flowers, position of flowers, height of plants, shape of seed, color of seed, shape of pod, color of pod. Dominant character, purple, excel, tall, brown, yellow, imprinted, green. Recessive characters, white, terminal, red, wrinkle, green, constricted, yellow. Now my second topic goes like this. Why did Mendel select a pea plant for his experiment? Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment because of the following reasons. A pea plant is naturally self-pollination and artificially cross-pollination also can be made in it. A large number of potency can be obtained in single plants. Life cycle of is short duration, so the result of experiment can be obtained in short duration. Plants can convenient to handle, so they can be given anywhere. They can be grown anywhere. Thank you.
Lots of beautiful people listening. Lots of beautiful people. Day one, good morning to you all. It's Miraj. I am from grade 10, standing in front of you to give a short and sweet speech on the topic of unit character. Briefly
speech, I want to thank our respective class speakers, Mr. Sonu Pani, which is to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic was like this. Unit character. The external character of any result of a cross is called unit character. Next topic is monohybrid cross. The cross individual involvement of one unit character is called monohybrid cross. For example, and our next topic is D-hybrid cross. The cross in which there is involvement of two unit character is called D-hybrid cross. For example, and our next topic is dominant character. The character that is expressed by covering other character is called dominant character. For example, it is denoted by letter like black. Our next topic is receive character. The character that is present but cannot express itself due to presence of dominant character is called receive character. It is denoted by small letter. For example, white. Our next topic is LED. A pair of genes controlling a pair of contrasting character are called LED. For example, our next topic is phenotype. The morphology appearance of an organism is called phenotype. It is denoted by codes. For example, you are white. Our next topic is genotype. The genetic mix of an organism is known as genotype. It is denoted by, for example, and our last topic is hybrid. The organism which has phenotype and genotype different is called hybrid. It is formed by the cross between two pair of organisms. For example, RR. Thank you. पुनः शान्ति
Namaskar and good afternoon. I am Sri from Graduate, standing from the to give a presentation on the topic of Mendel experiment. This is the figure of Mendel experiment. In parents there are two types. They are pure tall and pure dot. When pure tall and pure dot cross together, then habitol will produce. In F1 generation, in F2 generation, the habitol in habitol, pure tall, habitol and pure dot. In F3 generation, in pure tall there is pure tall. In habitol there is pure tall, habitol and pure dot. In habitol, pure tall, habitol and pure dot. In pure dot, there is pure dot. We have studied that Mendel using 7 pairs of contrasting characters of the experiment. In F1 generation, all 3 plants are found tall, and in F2 generation, 75% are found tall and 25% found short. There are 2 types of ratio, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and the genotypic ratio is the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. When the Mendel studied F3 generation, you notice the following points. Pure tall pea plants are found in tall plants, and hybrid pure pea plants are found in both short and tall plants in the ratio of 3:1. Pure dwarf pea plants are found in dwarf plants only. Thank you.
Dominant state when a cross is made between fear of pure construction character only of them is able to express itself utopically while the other remains living in evangelization, and you can see the diagram of dominance. This is not parent, pure and pure God. We have a formation this one, and domination like this, and evangelization.
the first time, right? So what you used to do, you used to make PowerPoint presentation, come and read. Generally in presentation, what should be there? There must be visual, there is one part. Next, explanation is next part, isn't it? Even if you are making some PowerPoints, you have to just show that PowerPoint and then explain. But here what do? You were drawing the charts and explaining. Definitely it helps. So at the beginning we become a little bit nervous, right? So when we were sitting that side, when we were there, when I was also there, I had many more plans. So I could do this, that, lots of plans will come in mind, isn't it? And whenever we come in front of the mass, then 50% goes somewhere else. Then we become confused from where to start, from where to end, isn't it? But after 2-3 rounds of such type of activities, you will be smart. So next time, you will be 75% up to date. Those who are having 50% only, and those who are having 100%, no problem. They can do much better, right? This is the age of presentation, isn't it? And if you are doing presentation, you are learning something else, isn't it? You must read, you must be up to date, and you must convince. Next time onwards, what do we do? So, in this phase, you came, you presented. Next time, I will give you some sort of topics to you. You will be fully prepared. Come here. Friends will ask the question, you must be able to answer. Understood? Friends will ask question. So who is asking question? You don't know? Yes or no? So when they ask question, you must explain either verbally or in written form. So that also helps to enhance your study. Right? You have to be smart in all areas of learning. What are the 4 areas of learning? Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So in speaking, you are a bit behind, or you will be talented one. Yes or no? You have to be interactive. Okay. So after our unit test, third evaluation test, we will continue our lessons. And once in a week, some students, they will get a chance to tackle with friends questions. Understood or not? So that can be done roll number wise, or that can be done lottery system, isn't it? But maximum 4 students only, because if many more, then it cannot be so much interactive. 4 students, 4 different headings, they will fully prepare, come and answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.